Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today, we're diving into the world of digital marketing and specifically, Google Ads remarketing. I'll be sharing some tips on how to re-engage past visitors and boost conversions. Now, you know that Google Ads can be a game changer for your business, but have you maxed out your remarketing campaigns yet? If not, keep watching because I'm about to reveal some top-notch strategies to level up your game. First things first, let's create a custom audience for those all-important cart abandoners. With the help of Google Ads, you can remind past visitors about that product they almost purchased. But here's a pro tip: segment your audience based on their location and even specific products they viewed. This way, you can tailor your ads to their needs and increase the chances of conversion. Trust me, this simple trick can lead to a whopping 30% increase in conversions. Next up, let's create an audience for past visitors who explored your website but didn't take any action. Show them ads for your homepage or other relevant pages that might interest them. Remember, the key here is to segment your audience based on their actions and show them the most appropriate ads. And there you have it, folks. Implementing these simple strategies can significantly boost your conversion rates and help you reap the full benefits of Google Ads remarketing. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more great content like this one. Until next time, happy marketing.